I'm Melissa Mueller-Douglas, CEO of MYRetreat. I know your company cares about employee wellness. Did you know a sense of employee connection is the number one challenge cited by C-suite survey respondents, with 95% acknowledging that their company culture and sense of connection needed improvement? Between the never-ending to-do lists and energy-draining work, employees at all levels can experience work fatigue. MyRetreat Experience offers your team an introduction to a novel method of mindfulness to incorporate into the daily routine, with chocolate as a tangible reward. The experience is inclusive of everyone with varying interests and abilities. The goal is to elevate self-care, reducing burnout and attrition. Through hands-on mindfulness exercises, employees will feel supported, connected, and appreciated. Your team will set a collective intention, engage in grounding visualization exercises, enjoy an indulgent chocolate tasting, and reflect on gratitude. Through our wellness workshop and the MyRetreat app featuring 3-minute daily meditations and weekly live retreats, employees will de-stress, gain practical tools for well-being, and of course, everyone receives the gift of chocolate at their doorstep. Your company will receive anonymous survey feedback on how the workshop impacted employees' perceptions of the company, providing valuable insights. As consistently demonstrated in pre- and post-survey data, participants report increased employee satisfaction, improved mental stamina, and stronger bonds among team members. All employees receive our Wellness Resource Guide, a one-page clickable PDF with free national resources. Ready to customize the MyRetreat experience for your team? Let's connect.